Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the last and final group 6 of my Christmas group swap. I had such a blast opening everybody's packages, enjoy doing it. So it is fun and it's like getting like happy mail, even though it's not my stuff half the time. I'm opening it for you guys and it's just as fun for me. So I do enjoy it. Thank you ladies so much for signing up. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. I loved the creativity, all the different ideas, the packaging, everything. You ladies nailed it out of the park with this one. So this is group 6 and I'll jump right into it. This entry is from Elizabeth. She is Lizzie Beth Crafts on Instagram. And look how cute. It's just something about a jingle bell, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Did you paint that on there? It's a snowman jingle bell. How cute. And she's got them wrapped with this seam binding. Okay, so I'm going to open up one of them. Got it wrapped in this cute little pink CeeLo bag. There she is, Lizzie Beth Crafts. So cute. Okay, look at this. Oh, girl. Look at this. Look at her embellishment. Oh my gosh, girl. Look at this. So she's got the chain. Oh, look at these dangles right here, you guys. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so she's got the fun pom-poms. It's got the chain as the hanging element. The Christmas tree gets zigzagged across. Little pom-poms. It's got sequins hanging from it. Look at those polymer Santas, you guys. So cute. And look at this apron. She made like a little North Pole. And like it's like a pole that goes all the way down. She's wrapped it. She just pierced the clay. So cute. Okay, and then let's look at this dangle. Chunky monkey, bezel gemmy, these little star, a jingle bell, the little sequins on there, this gorgeous candy, another little bead, a little candy cane, seed beads, all sorts of dangles on there, you guys. So cute. And then look at her bows. She's got the little shaker bits. Look at that cute Christmas tree. They're like that thick Hobby Lobby chunky glitter. Gorgeous. And then these are her die cuts right here. Let's open these. Oh, and her sequins mix is in here too. Look at this cute little topper. It's got the little dangle right there. Super cute. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at those pink ones. Those are super cute. The little faux candies, the bigger sequins in there. Very yummy. The ornament top that goes right there. Look how cute these are, you guys. And you can make embellishments with these. So that's what she's included. All different shapes and colors of the ornament. Love this idea. Pinks and glitters. Super, super cute. Love it, girly. And thank you so much for making one for me. Again, you did not have to, but I do appreciate it. Eee! This entry is from Brandy Zimmerman. She is Brandy Zimmy on Instagram. And you guys, she is the owner of White Birch & Co. on Instagram. It's like a little paper crafting store / Instagram. So super cute, super fun. Glad that you joined. And this one has my name on it. She made me one. Super excited. And look at how cute. Hot little Cocoa Swiss Miss. Okay, so look at this, you guys. She made like a little mail like carrier. Look how cute. Okay, look at this. Cute little ornament with her sequins mixed in there. Look at the little puff balls on there. Oh, it looks like snow. How cute is this? And then she's tied it off with like the candy cane colors. Just hanging from the mail. She's labeled it like mail. Super cute. Oh, it's like an accordion style with a pocket in the front. She's clipped this on so you can reuse it. Look at this. Very smart. Love this. Oh my gosh. Look at her chunky monkey embellishment, you guys. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Look at the tool. I never thought to make like a rosette with it. Oh, look at that snow tool. Look at this little like pipe cleaner style Christmas tree. The little red truck, the snowflake, the greenery. Gorgeous. And then, ooh. Look at the bows. Oh, stickers. And something else is in here. Oh, the die cuts. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so I'll do the die cuts first. Look how cute. Oh, look at these. Do you know how many dies there are in the world to like, I'm getting all these die cuts, and like I said, I don't have any of these. It just blows my mind that there's that many dies in the world. Look how cute these stars. Oh my gosh, look at that, like, it's got like little pockets in it, the tree. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I need this little itty bitty Christmas tree die. Ooh, look at that one. Joy. So cute. These are like perfect size for embellishing. The little hot cocoa mug has embossing in it. That snowflake. Cut it out in gorgeous vellum and glitter paper. Little hat, mitten. Oh my gosh, look at the little itty bitty antler deers. So cute. And then look at her little bows. Oh my gosh. And these are like, these balls have like texture on them. Like they're not the Dollar Tree ones. Where'd you get those? Those are so cute. Look at, she's got a little jingle bell on there. How cute is this? And she made 4 bows, the mama and the babies. So flippin' cute. Oh, I love the little centers on these. These are so cute. The itty bitty ones. I love those. And then she's included a goodie. Look at the, I've never seen these. They're like puffy stickers, but super glittery little gingerbread like people. Look at that house. How cute are these? Oh, look at those candies. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Brandy, for playing. I love the little like package mailbox. This is so cute. And thank you for making one for me, as always. This entry is from Nitasha. She is Griffin Girl on Instagram, or McGriffster, one of the two. Her YouTube and her Instagram are different. But she did go ahead and make 4 of these. A super cute little nutcracker. Oh my gosh. Let me open one. Yes, girly. So she has like a little memdex on the back. Use that, and then her little note to us. Okay, so Instagram is McGriffster and then YouTube is Griffin Girl. I knew I had it backwards. But look how cute the little pocket. I think this is from AliExpress, and she used that Dollar Tree tool with the faux snow on it. Made a little shaker in the front. Look, this little like wink of Stella'd up little snowman in the front. Super cute. All the goodies in here. Let me pull this out. Love it. I love this. She stitched this part. She's got the little Santa paper. Super, super cute. And then look. Oh, yes. So she's gifted us a sequins mix. This is from Target this year. The candy canes. And I love the candy canes, you guys. These are so cute. Love. Thank you. Thank you. And then this is her embellishment. Oh, this is like, no, if you use chipboard. It's like a little oval style. And then she's got the tool on there, the little snowman and shaker bits with the bow, like an award style ribbon. That's the word. Look at that snowflake charm. That is so pretty. This is so cute. It just dangles on there. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, this is such, girls, you are just amazing me. So she stitched around this little mailbox that has a little poinsettia on here, and she had her little sequins mix in here. Oh my gosh, you and Nancy Joe like sent it in like a little thing that you made for it. So cute. She has Let It Snow on here, and she's got like a super fun candy cane and Christmas tree mix. Ooh, look at those little candies in there. Very pretty. I love it. And then this right here, she's got her flowers. What's this say? Oh, so she bought some flowers. These were created by Cuddle Me Clayte on Instagram and on YouTube. And look at these flowers, you guys. She's got the little shaker balls in there. These super pretty. And look at the little centers she even did. And she's got like gold like sparkle on there. Look how cute these are. Pink one, mint. These are perfect for the Hey Santa collection. These are gorgeous. A little white one in there. And then these are her bows. Oh my gosh, girl. Yes, look at this cute little like ticket background piece. Are these foam? I think she cut these out in foam and in paper, so they're like crazy duty sturdy. And then wrap the centers in white. I love the glitter. It's like such a pretty white sparkle. And then she's included some die cuts. Oh, she's included like a little I'll just fold it right now. Those like little pocket style. I bet a gift card fits in here. And then this tree, it has like little heart details in it. Oh, and look at this one. So cute. And then she's got some glittered stars, glittered butterfly. Everything's all cut out in glitter. So pretty. White little banner you can alter. How cute is this little stocking? Look at this distressed edged ticket. Another little stocking. I think this is for the boot. Is it? Oh yeah, like this, like a sock. Super cute. And then look, a little snowflake you could put wherever. Super cute. Thank you so much for playing and definitely for making one for me. I appreciate it. I know it's extra work to do all this, an extra one, so I do love it. And thank you guys. This entry is from Isabel. She is Creatively Isabel on Instagram. And look how cute. And I love this ribbon. She did go ahead and make 4, so one of them is for me. So thank you, girly. So let's open this. Cute ribbon. Love this. And she's got her little tag. It does have her information on there. Super cute. Again, her sticker, she sealed it with it. She made a shaker little coin like pouch. Look at that. All those fun little sequins and seed beads. Snowflakes and Christmas trees. So pretty and fun. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look at this little dangle. Look at that. Candy cane, wire wrapped beads. Oh, that's some fancy wire wrapping right there. Whoa, that's cool. And then look at this tassel. And look at this jingle bell, the shape of it. Super pretty. Okay, I don't know. Oh, she must have one of those fancy like snap things. Look how cute the candy canes are at the top. And her goodies. It's like you're almost scared they're gonna come out, but they're not. Fun little shaker bits. I love this little can I use this for my wallet during Christmas time? Would somebody stare at me like, where did you get that? Okay, so, oh, so cute. Die cuts. Okay, let me jump into this. So these are her little bows. Shaker bits in there. So it's like a double layered bow. Oh, what are these? Like, what's that machine that makes these things? So it says Merry Christmas. I got a little candy cane. Super cute. The sequins. Love this little cute, like, glittered elf and Santa paper. So cute. And then look at her cute little embellishment. She's made a tiny, you guys, this is itty bitty. It's so cute. And then she's got the little clay snowflakes in there. Look at this little tiny bow. Is the season. Did you color that background piece? I wonder if she colored that or printed that. The little snowman, the little itty bitty poinsettia. So cute. Little shaker. Look at this. How cute. A little hot cocoa mix. I love like the simplicity but cuteness of sending this. I love this. So these are from Dollar Tree, and it's already like wrapped so that you can, you know, just put it wherever without it getting like contaminated. And look, she fed the ribbon through this like label. How cute is that? And then the little pocket. She got her little label in the back. Love, love, love this. So cute. And then look at this. Oh my gosh. Look how, and girl, did you use chipboard? This is like heavy duty book. Again, look at that. Ooh, look at those fancy beads. Those are so pretty. Tiny, oh my gosh. Little unwrap this. Her sequins mix, you guys. Gorgeous mix, kind of just like her, this one right here, but it's got white sequins and white stars with it. This is such a cute idea, like just a little book. Oh, I love that. Okay, and then these are her die cuts. We got that guy. We got the little ticket piece of the ephemera that you can use. Cute little stitch star. Love how she embossed the little goodie bag. Got a little heart, a stitched heart. I'm gonna put the star with there. Ooh, I love these branches. Super cute, like a birch style branch. And then, oh my gosh, look at this little itty bitty wreath. It's got like embossing detail on it. So cute. This one says sparkle and this one says shine. It's like a white foam glitter paper. So pretty. And then this says Merry Christmas. You can easily alter these, spray these, oxide these. And then look at this snowflake one. Ooh, that's pretty. And then look at the cute little candy cane tag. Love that. The little mitten, stitched mitten. Cute little coffee cup. Doily style one, and then like a little stamp style one. So cute. Thank you, girly, for playing, and as always for making me one. Thank you so much. You did not have to. Whew. Okay, that was it. Group 6 of my Christmas group swap. All done. Everything's done. It's over. Usually I do 10 groups, but that's really overwhelming. So I narrowed it down to 6 groups this time around. And I'm glad that I did, because that was definitely enough. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. You ladies all spoiled me. I love it. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.